Ronaldo workout and diet. Cristiano Ronaldo's diet and workouts for a sculpted physique. Cristiano Ronaldo's diet and workout routine should be your priority if you seek a perfect physique and aim at optimal physical performance. Cristiano Ronaldo's diet plan for a complete day. Eats every 3 hours. Ronaldo has crafted a diet plan that revolves around 6 small meals a day, spaced approximately every 3 to 4 hours. This frequent eating pattern helps maintain steady energy levels, ensuring his body is consistently fueled for peak performance during workouts and matches. Prioritizes lean protein. He particularly favors fish, often opting for sea bass, swordfish, and sea bream, which provide him with high-quality proteins and essential omega-3 fatty acids. One of his favorite, a delightful combination of cod, thinly sliced potatoes, onions, and scrambled eggs. Eats only whole grains. In addition to lean proteins, Ronaldo emphasizes the importance of whole grain carbohydrates to provide sustained energy throughout the day. He includes fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support his immune system and overall well-being. Breakfast. Whole grain cereals or oatmeal. Low-fat or Greek yogurt. Fresh fruits, such as berries or bananas. Fruit juice or water. Snack. Tuna or turkey whole grain sandwich. Low-fat milk or protein shake. Lunch. Grilled chicken or fish. Brown rice or whole grain pasta. Fresh vegetables or salad. Water or natural fruit juice. Snack. Nuts or seeds. Fresh fruits. Dinner. Lean meat or fish, such as steak or salmon. Quinoa or sweet potatoes. Steamed vegetables or green salad. Water or herbal tea. What is the workout routine of Cristiano Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo keeps his workout routines dynamic and diverse to avoid stagnation. He alternates between heavy cardio and extensive weight training, ensuring a well-rounded approach to fitness and conditioning. His training schedule involves approximately 3 hours of daily workouts, 5 days a week, combining gym and on-pitch sessions. Ronaldo strategically targets different muscles and exercises on specific days, with rest days for recovery, which aids in strength development and injury prevention. Cristiano Ronaldo's 5-day workout program. Monday, circuit training. Barbell squat, 8 reps. Box jumps, 10 reps. Broad jumps, 8 reps. Jumping lunges, 8 reps. Lateral bounds, 10 reps. Wednesday, circuit training. Burpee pull-up, 10 to 15 reps. Bench dips, 15 to 20 reps. Push-ups, 20 to 30 reps. Medicine ball toss, 15 to 20 reps. Push press, 10 to 15 reps. Thursday. Power cleans, 5 reps for 5 sets. Sprints, 8x 200-meter sprints. Tuesday, rest. Saturday, rest. Friday, core exercises. 1 deadlift, 3 sets/5 reps on each side. Dumbbell single leg deadlift, 2 sets/10 reps. Knee tuck jumps, 3 sets/10-12 reps. Overhead ball slam, 3 sets/10-12 reps. Single leg barbell squat, 2 sets/5 reps. Hanging leg raises, 3 sets/10-15 reps. Friday, core exercises. 1 deadlift, 3 sets/5 reps on each side. Dumbbell single leg deadlift, 2 sets/10 reps. Knee tuck jumps, 3 sets/10-12 reps. Overhead ball slam, 3 sets/10-12 reps. Single leg barbell squat, 2 sets/5 reps. Hanging leg raises, 3 sets/10-15 reps.